going? Well, fellas and fellarettes, we've got another big job on the cards today. I've got to let's get down the car. Install that. So that's the diff, front diff, cross member. The factory ones actually bolt up, but because we're doing a different setup, obviously we need to run a custom one. So with that one, I've actually got to weld that one into the car. So to do that, obviously needed a different place. It's got to sit exactly where it's going to sit because it's solid mounted. And so I had to go get some GTEC.com solid pushers. So we're going to mount those up, and then yeah, get that in, and I can take the plates onto the side of the rails, get the cross member in place, tack that in, pull it all out, weld it up, put it back in, weld it to the car. It should be good. At least that's the plan anyway. Yeah, so we'll try and keep this one a little bit shorter than the last spiel that we did. Like 25 minutes of waffling. So if you watch that one 20 years from now, fast forward half the crap. But one thing I didn't actually do was add the photos from the fuel cell, so you didn't actually see what it was like finished. So I'll chuck a couple in this video, and actually let's just give you a quick preview now. Boom, we're in. Paint it up. Some bolts in there, grade 8s, obviously. Straps are all in, looking sharp. Some black. Keeps the rim down the back there for the diff. Had enough rim there which you banged it in. Sweet as. Good to go. Good to go. So once we're finished in here, we'll might even tie that with a bit of underseal. We've got some coloured underseal. And yeah, we're good to go. Alright, let's carry on. Anyway, so what I need to do, so there's a thread in the bottom here for this. So obviously the bushes go either side, and then I need to figure out what the thread is, and then once this is locked in, then I can work out where these plates are. So these plates are going to be mounted in here and in here. So in order to do that, I need to pull these lines. We'll reroute these later on for the brake lines. Pull these down because there'll be plates going up into here. Same on the other side. So I guess that's probably the first job, to get these out of the way. And then obviously you bolt the frame into place, check that the plates are got to go, mark everything, get underseal and everything peeled off, and then start loading stuff. So yeah, let's go. I'm feeling high. Oh yeah, so what we were doing was just getting the control arms out the way, and then that'll give us a lot more room to sort of get up and around the rail, etc. So those puppies, we're actually going to replace these anyway, hopefully, with something with a bit more adjustability. And the factory bushes are just so soft, so it's just not going to cut it. So they'll be going either in the scrap bin or selling them on Trade Me. Yeah, anyway, carry on.
So on that one you can obviously see we're just getting the fittings loose. So then basically from there I'm just going to unclip them and get those out the way. Try and keep them as intact as we can, because we might actually probably still use these. Saves us having to run in new lines, but because I'm running a hydraulic handbrake, I'm not too sure if I will actually use these lines again. But hey, you know, sort of these ones here, then we will. These ones coming out of the car may actually change this into a possibly into a single line and a T here. Yeah, but that's something we'll work out later on. So anyway, let's get these lines taken out. Alright, so we've got the lines out now, so crack into getting this position, get these bushes in, and then really sort of setting up where we need these plates to sit, and hopefully everything goes well. Hoping I'm not having to actually modify the subframe in any form. But we'll see how we go. Alright, so we've got the plates sort of in a position where we can sort of ascertain what we need to do here. So this is basically what's going to happen. So we need the plates to basically run as far, basically as close to basically the full width of the chest rail as possible, you see. So this one's pretty good. I just need to tidy it up here, clean these joins off, and sorry, these corners, and that'll be good. There. This one, so this one here, I'm actually going to turn the plate sideways, and we're going to run it up into there. And we just need to trim off the bottom, obviously, and possibly the top as well, just so we can get a full contact up here. So we'll shave a bit of here, because we've got a bit of a gap at the top there. Gap there, and then that'll be beautiful on that one. So that's pretty much the process for both sides, really. That plate's quite good, it's nice and tight. There sort of shouldn't be really a reason why, any reason, so that this wouldn't work. The subframe actually came out of another drift car that was exact same chassis as this, the GD chassis, GD Subaru chassis. So when we cut the subframe out of it, basically we were only cutting into the welds that had the original plates all over the neck chassis there. So we're just basically replacing what was left on the chassis. So yeah. So apart from that, pushes around. Nice, found some good sized bolts. Very good, very good. And yeah, so I want to crack on and get these plates marked up, and then we can start tacking them on. Basically going to tack them onto the pipe first, and take the whole frame off, complete the whole welds, and then come back and then we'll finish the plate off. It's just a lot easier to do that way than as opposed to trying to weld into this area. It's easier to run a weld straight across there than it is to run over the top of the pipe. So that's the plan. Alright, let's go.